Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can make line art from images here in Canva. So first you wanna go ahead and upload your image. Then you wanna click on using a new design, then custom size, then click on create new design. Then over here at the left, you wanna click on apps, then you wanna search for sketch. Then you will choose this app, which is Sketch My Photo. Then you want to click on your photo over here to select it. Then click on Sketch Selected Image. Then at the sketch style, just want to make sure that you're in line art. And then over here at the settings below, just want to go around and play with it. The settings can vary depending on the image's quality. So you can just go around and play with it so the image can meet your expected product. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.